Hey, what's going on, man? It's EA. Welcome back to my channel. I appreciate y'all rocking with me today. Didn't plan on doing this. This is an impromptu video. I'm going to be preparing this dish. I wasn't preparing on or planning to prepare today, but I said, you know what? It's beautiful outside, it's rainy, a little chilly. I think I'm going to have some seared sea bass and this little Mediterranean dish. I'm gonna share with you guys how to prepare this dish, man. You will absolutely love it. Okay, let me show you the ingredients and how we're gonna mix it up, all right? Okay, this is what we have, man. We have the little golden potatoes, right? Or you can use the little round red potatoes, and you're gonna cut those up like so. You're gonna mince maybe 2 cloves of garlic, right? 2 cloves of garlic. Mix. You're gonna go ahead and mince that up. Then you're gonna also include some of the little cherry tomatoes, right? Then right here you got your onions, right? Then right here you have your red pepper, your green pepper, and your olives. So let me go back over one more time. You got your golden round potatoes, little small potatoes, or again, you can use little red potatoes. You'll slice those up in half. You got your garlic, right? You got your cherry tomatoes. You slice your cherry tomatoes in half. You got your onions, cut up onions, or diced up, your preference. You got your red pepper, right? You also have your green pepper, and you have your olives, right? Now let's move over to the ingredients. What are you gonna need in order to prepare this masterpiece, right? You're gonna use your onion powder, garlic powder, your pepper. We're gonna use some basil, right, at the end. And also the Tony Treacher's. I can't pronounce that, I never could. You can use the non-salted version or the salted version, all right? Let's go and get started. Okay, I have my frying pan on the stove. It's getting hot. Okay, inside the frying pan, I had olive oil, generous amount of olive oil. And all you're gonna do is just brown these potatoes. Brown these potatoes. You only need to cook them for probably about 3 to 4 minutes. 45 minutes, I'd say 45 minutes. Because they're small and they're gonna cook pretty quickly, right? We're just gonna let those simmer, right? Let those simmer. Okay, as you can see, they've started to brown a little bit. That's what you want, all right? Now you can add the other ingredients. Add your tomatoes. I got the garlic in there already. And I'm gonna add my onions, my red peppers, green peppers, and my olives. Okay, now you're just gonna I've gotten all the ingredients mixed in. Just gonna let this cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. Occasionally, just stirring it up. Y'all get that look? Yeah, man. Mediterranean side dish here, baby. What we're gonna go over here and grab our other ingredients. Okay, we're gonna add a little garlic powder. Garlic powder doesn't have salt in it, so you're good to go there. Onion powder. To your preference. I'm gonna go with the no salt Tony Treacher's, whatever you call it, however you call it, pronounce it. No salt. Pepper. Okay, just continue to Stir it up. Got those delicious golden potatoes in there that we kind of seared, fried a little bit until they were brown. We put in our garlic and our cherry tomatoes, our onion, our red pepper, our green pepper, and our olives. Yeah, man. Man, that look good. Don't that look good? You're just gonna put a top on this and let it simmer for about 3 minutes. Stay tuned. Okay, check that out, man. Check that out. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna sprinkle a little basil in here. A little basil, baby. Yeah. Bam. Okay, yeah, man. This is officially done. Yeah, man, this little Mediterranean dish right here, this is a impress me meal. You want to impress somebody, right? You want to impress your husband, impress your wife. You know, prepare this meal. They will not expect it. You trust me, right? You have a nice, significant other coming over for dinner, right? Or just chilling at the crib. Prepare this very quick, very nutritious meal. I mean, it's a side dish. It can become a meal if you want it to be, but it's also a side dish. Works perfect as a side dish, right? You know, invite them over and do something special. You know, the ingredients are not that many, right? As you can see, or as you saw, didn't take long to prepare, but this is just phase one. Phase two, we're gonna layer this. We're gonna accommodate this beautiful dish with the seared sea bass. All right, stay tuned. Okay, here's that sea bass, right? As you can see, nice, beautiful, meaty sea bass. This is one of the best fish you can eat, right? We're gonna leave the skin on, but all we're gonna do to prepare it for searing, and there's several methods in which you could cook the sea bass, of course. You can broil it, which is delicious. You can bake it, which is also delicious, but also, you can pan fry it. And that's what we're gonna do. Pan fry or sear, if you will. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna add our garlic powder. Generous amount. Onion powder. The no salt Tony Treachers. I think that's the way you pronounce it. To this beautiful white meat filleted sea bass, right? We're gonna throw some pepper on it. Okay, we have our sea bass here, our white meat, tender, luscious, delicious looking sea bass. Check it out. Again, still has the skin on it. We're gonna sear these fillets. We have our pan here rather. We have olive oil in here, got a little butter, right? And what we're gonna do, we're gonna sear this sea bass. We're gonna put it on the we're gonna have the skin side up, and we're gonna sear this sea bass in that olive oil and in that butter for about 2 minutes, 2-3 minutes on each side. Yep. And put a little more butter in the pan. All right. And all we're doing is searing it. Yep. Trying to get a nice little sear on the inside of that sea bass. Yeah, I just flipped them over. If you've eaten sea bass before, you know that you don't have to cook them long. It's like the meat texture is a lot like lobster. That's why if you put a little butter on top of it, man, it's just off the chain. The reason why I said the the meat texture is like lobster is because you don't need to cook it long at all. Cook it too long, it'll become rubbery. See that? See that sear on top of those fillets? Yes, sir. It's a sea bass. And we're gonna be serving this alongside of my Mediterranean dish that I prepared earlier. Okay, I just flipped them over once again, and they are ready to go, baby. Okay, there we go, baby. Check that out. That beautiful Mediterranean side dish there with your golden, small golden potatoes, your green pepper, your red pepper, your garlic, right? Don't they look delicious? Your onions, man, God. Your olives are in there. The olives are in there, yeah. I went ahead and just thought I'd decorate it with little steamed green beans, right? If you're doing your steamed green beans, man, once you steam your green beans, pour the water off of them, throw you some butter inside there, man, and put you some grated cheese inside there, the pan, and just stir it up, man. You're talking about something that's gonna tickle your tongue, man. It's awesome. And check out that seared sea bass. Look at that. Yes, sir. You like that? I like that. Yeah, again, if you like this type of content, you know, just continue to tune in. You rocking with EA. If you should subscribe, you know, I will, you know, but for the most part, you're gonna receive a notification when I upload similar content. Like and subscribe, What's for dinner today, EA? Well, on today's menu, we have green beans, succulent green beans, moist seared sea bass, you know, from the saltwater variety, and also a mixed Mediterranean vegetable dish that includes round golden potatoes, onions, green peppers, red peppers, you know, garlic, and a host of seasons of your choice. Hope you love it. Hey, I'm out. Peace.